Good morning, students. In previous classes, we have evaluated the integrals by using standard formulas. And there are some functions which cannot be integrated by direct use of standard integrals. In such cases, we use some additional methods for finding the integrals by reducing them into standard form. Here, three important methods are there. The first one is integration by substitution, and second one is integration by partial fractions, and third one is integration by parts. Here the first method is integration by substitution. This method consists in change the variable of integration to another variable by suitable substitution, so that the given integral transforms into a known standard integral. Type 1. Integrals of the form f of ax plus b into dx, where f of x into dx is in standard form. To integrate f of ax plus b, put t equal to ax plus b. Then differentiating with respect to x on both sides, that is d by dx of t, d by dx of ax plus b, that equal to dt by dx equal to d by dx of, where a constant term, d by dx of x plus d by dx of b, that equal to dt by dx equal to a into derivative of x equal to 1 plus derivative of constant term 0, that equal to dt by dx equal to a. Therefore dx equal to 1 by a into dt. Here substitute the t and dx values in equation number 1 or standard form, that equal to, therefore f of ax plus b into dx equal to f of, where ax plus b equal to t, f of t, and dx equal to 1 by a into dt. Here 1 by a is the constant term, take in front of the integral, that equal to 1 by a into f of t dt. This is the standard integral which can be evaluated now easily. And let us take some formulas and this method, that is integral sine of ax plus b into dx equal to minus 1 by a cos of ax plus b plus c. Second one, cos of ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into sine of ax plus b plus c. And integral sec square ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into tan of ax plus b plus c. And fourth one, integral cosec square ax plus b into dx equal to minus 1 by a cot ax plus b plus c. Next one, integral sec ax plus b into tan ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into sec ax plus b plus c. Next one, integral cosec ax plus b into cot ax plus b into dx equal to minus 1 by a cosec ax plus b plus c. And next one, integral ax plus b whole to the power of n dx equal to 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral 1 by ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into log ax plus b plus c base a. Integral e power ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into e power ax plus b plus c. Next, integral a power bx plus c equal to 1 by b into a power bx plus c by log a plus c. Next one, integral sin h ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into cos h ax plus b plus c. Next one, integral cos h ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into sin h ax plus b plus c. Integral sec h square ax plus b into dx equal to 1 by a into tan h ax plus b plus c. Integral cosec h square ax plus b into dx equal to minus 1 by a cot h ax plus b plus c. Integral sec ax plus h ax plus b tan h ax plus b into dx equal to minus 1 by a sec h ax plus b plus c. Last one, cosec h ax plus b into cot h ax plus b into dx equal to minus 1 by a into cosec h ax plus b plus c. These are the formulas in integration by substitution. And let us solve first problem. Evaluate integral 2x minus 3 whole power 8 into dx. Here we have two methods. Here first one is based on formula, that is we have integral ax plus b whole power n into dx equal to 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, that equal to, where a is coefficient of x, here a equal to 2. The comparing this formula we get a equal to 2, we get a equal to 2 and n equal to 8 and b equal to minus 3, and use this formula we get integral 2x minus 3 whole power 8 equal to 1 by a, where a equal to 2, that is 1 by 2 into ax plus b, where ax plus b equal to 2x minus 3 into n, where n equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 plus constant, that equal to 1 by 2 into 2x minus 3 whole power 9 by 9 plus c, 9 2s are 18 into 1 by 18 into 2x minus 3 whole power 9 plus c. This is the use the formula first method. And we have second method, that is change the variable, that is 2x minus 3 whole power 8 into dx. Let us put t equal to 2x minus 3, differentiate with respect to x on both sides, that is dt by dx equal to 2 into d by dx of x minus d by dx of 3, and dt by dx equal to 2 into d by dx of x 1 and derivative of constant term 0. Therefore dt by dx equal to 2. Therefore dx equal to 1 by 2 into dt, 1 by 2 into dt. Here substitute the t and dx values in given problem, that is 2x minus 3 whole power 8 into dx equal to, here we put 2x minus 3 equal to t power 8 and dx equal to 1 by 2 into dt. Here 1 by 2 is the constant term, take in front of the integral, that is 3 power 8 into dt. Here therefore we have x to the power of n into dx, x to the power of n into dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here same variable t power 8 into t power 8 into dt. Here x to the power of n into dx. Therefore x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, where n equal to 8, that equal to 1 by 2 into t to the power of 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 plus c, that equal to 1 by 2 into t to the power of 9 by 9. Here 9 2s are 18 9 2s are 18, that is 1 by 18 into t to the power of 9 plus c. Here substitute the t value, we get the answer, that equal to 1 by 18 into that is 1 by 18 into t value 2x minus 3 by 3x minus 3 power 9 plus c is the answer of the problem.